Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to fix an E3 error on your electric fireplace. Follow these instructions carefully. Begin by turning off and then unplugging your unit. Next, use a vacuum to clean the inlet and outlet vents. This helps maintain airflow and efficiency. Press and hold the main power button on the front control panel of the unit. While holding the button, plug the unit back into the wall outlet directly. Avoid using an extension cord or surge protector. Press the temperature button to increase the heat by 6 degrees until you reach your desired room temperature. If the button doesn't work and the logs blink, repeat the previous steps until you can adjust the heat. And that's it! You've successfully reset your heating unit and removed the E3 error. If the error is still showing, it's time to contact customer service. 1-866-661-1218.